Hello, my amazing artists. So I'm not with you today, but I wanted to go over what we're going to do today and how we're going to make some prints using our original we did last week. Now I showed you a little bit last week what we're going to do, but I'm going to go over it again with you so that you and Miss Bridges knows exactly what to do. Now I'm at home, so I don't have everything perfect, but I think I have it figured out. And what was cool, I figured out you can actually use a styrofoam plate to make your print, your original print. And that's what I did here. Now we're gonna do the rainbow colors, and I don't have all the colors. Sorry guys, I couldn't find a yellow. I think it's been destroyed, but you have all the colors there. So here's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna do this together. Miss Bridges will hand back your styrofoam, and they are in the shelves over by the cubbies, by the drawing racks, by teacher's name, and their name and number should be on the back of them. And then she's also going to give you 2 half sheets of paper, and these half sheets of paper are on the purple shelf to the right of the Promethean, and they're already cut. You're going to write your name and number on both of these papers with a pencil, okay? I'm gonna use a pen because that's all I have here at home. And you should know your class number. If you don't know it, someone in your class will. Yeah. Write it on both. You're gonna do 2 prints today, okay? This is the back. Now, what we're gonna do together is after you get everything handed back, you can go ahead and pause it right now and hand everything out. Get our names written, get everybody their styrofoam. Okay, once you have what you need, here's what we're gonna do. We're all gonna start with the first color of the rainbow, which is red. Okay, I hope these work. And we are going to color this first section of the pumpkin red. Okay. Then what's the next color? Orange. So we're gonna color the next section orange. Then we have yellow, which I don't have, so I'm going to skip it, but you guys can do yellow. Then we have green. Okay. Green should be in the middle. Then we have blue. The next one is the one that gets everybody mixed up. Does anybody know what it is? Indigo. So you're gonna, to make indigo, you just mix blue and purple together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this blue and I'm just gonna kind of scribble it on this next section. And then I'm gonna take purple and I'm gonna scribble on top to kind of mix them together, and it will make indigo. Okay. Then the next section is violet. Very good. Okay. And you can pause it right there if you need some more time. Remember, this is supposed to be yellow. Sorry, I don't have one. And then you can color your stem and your vine. I'd probably do the stem brown and maybe the vine green. Whatever color you want to do it. I don't have a brown, so I'm just going to do the stem green and the vine. And when I do the vine, I'm just kind of going around it like that. Okay? Feel free to pause it if you need to. Okay, now, before you make your print, what you're going to do is Miss Bridges is going to come around with a squirt bottle of water. And she is going to wet your front of your paper. Okay, she's just gonna spray 2 squirts on your paper, not the back where your name is. She's gonna do it on the front. So everybody get your paper ready. I don't have a squirt bottle here at home, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of water. She's gonna spray 2 squirts onto your paper. Now, before you make your print, you have to rub the water in. You don't want it puddled on your paper. So I'm just gonna put my fingers in my water, and I'm just gonna kind of rub it on here. You wanna make your paper a little bit damp. The print will come out better. Now, if you don't rub the water, it's gonna smear and it's not gonna look like a pumpkin. So make sure after she sprays it, you rub it. Now don't pick up your print, leave it flat on your table, and you're gonna take your piece of paper and you're just gonna put it right on top so you can see your name. You're gonna hold it with one hand and you're gonna rub it on there with the other hand. Make sure you rub really good, and y'all have better paper than me, so mine's not gonna turn out as good as yours will. And then when you peel it off, you'll have your print. Now I've got a color missing, but you should not have a color missing. Okay? After you get done your first one, you're gonna put it to the side. Miss Bridges will come around with wipies, which are in the bird cage. Everybody gets a wipey. You can wipe that marker off. Yours should come off better than mine. Remember, I'm using a styrofoam plate. And then you can do another print, and you can do it the same, or you can do it completely different. You can do this one however you want to. That's your choice this time. So if you want to do the whole pumpkin orange, go for it. Wipe it off, then get started coloring. You can even color this outside part if you want to. When you're ready, when you are finished coloring and you're ready to do your second print, raise your hand. Miss Bridges will come spray your paper 2 times. And remember, before you put it on the styrofoam, you need to rub that water in, okay? Don't leave it puddled on your paper, or else your colors will smear too much. Okay, so I did a real pumpkin, and then I think I'm going to do maybe some stars, just something fun around the outside. Like that. Now, okay, this is my second one. Remember, your second one, you get to do whatever you want. Now, I would be raising my hand, waiting for Miss Bridges to come by. She's gonna spray it 2 times with a spray bottle, and you're gonna rub it in. Make sure you smear that water all over your paper. Oop. And then don't pick up your print. Remember, leave your print on the table. You're gonna put your paper on top of it so that you can see your name. Hold it with one hand so it doesn't slip around, and rub with the other. Okay, now pull it off, and voila, isn't that cool? All right, have fun. When you get finished today, you're gonna put both of your prints on the drying rack, and then you get to take this home with you. You should still have your wipey, so I would wipe it down, and you can take it home. All you need is markers and paper, and you can make as many prints as you want at home. All right, have fun.